is document 1. Okay. Okay. This should be closed even. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, I'm there. Let me repeat. I was saying that we are talking about definite integral. And I'm saying this type of integral is very important because for it considers the integral within some limit. Okay, and is given by capital FB minus capital FA. I also said if we have a graph that is awkward like that, where each plot represents a function f of x, we might be interested in, say, computing the area of the shaded part. We might be interested in computing area of the shaded part from A to B. There is only a single method that can lead us to the answer here. Only a single method like this, and that is integration. Because when you look at the shaded part, it does not look like a clear picture, like a shape, a known shape, say a circle, a rectangle, a triangle, whose formula is clear. So the only method here is to use the integration. And what we do, we integrate this function from the lower limit to the upper limit, and whatever we get will become the answer for the shaded area. That is very important to note. So definite integrals, we can have an example. If this was x power 4 and we wanted to look at it from 2 to 5 with respect to x, okay, we shall apply the methods we have seen, and we shall get x power 5 over 5, okay, and we want to get the interval from 2 to 5. Here, with the definite integrals, we do not consider constants since they will eventually cancel out during the calculation. What we are going to do, we are going to first substitute the upper part and come up with the 5 power 5 over 5. Then substitute the lower part, which is going to be x power 2 power 5 over 5. And whatever you get here is going to become the answer. So definite integrals always give a specific answer, whereas indefinite integrals always leave the answer hanging and only give us the indefinite integral, and only give us a function that is having unknown variables, say x. Okay, so ideally the same knowledge is applied across all the types of integrals. However, for direct integrals, we substitute the upper and the lower. Okay, so I think that is it. We really need to close out. Maybe before I close out, let me share the notes, because whatever I've been using to teach here has been flowing. Let me stop sharing this one and share. Okay, let's share that one and see. Okay, this is where the topic starts from. It talks about integral calculus and what it is. Integral calculus, what it is, the concept of integration, some examples of integration, rules. As we summarized them, they are here. Talk about the different methods. We have integration by substitution. We have a number of examples given here. Integration by parts. The general expression is given. And then The other methods, the other examples are given as well. We have another example. Definite integrals also given here. We have some examples as well and more explanation about what they are. We have an example here as well. You can look at it. Then down here, we still have summary of rules, like we've seen them. The techniques are brought up again here. General rule, parts and substitution. And we have examples about each. One example at this point, and wish you guys a very nice evening.
Blessed night, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chimera.
All right, enjoy your evening. And
Thank you
catch
so
up.
much for delivering to attend.
Sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Hey, actually, I called you, but you were already in class. We were busy trying to submit him. And we got caught up time. I spoke to you yesterday. You said you hadn't covered those two numbers, and you were going to extend for us the time to submit our coursework.
I'm extending now, and the deadline will be tomorrow at let me see.
A few minutes back.
Tomorrow is going to be 27th. At 27th at 12.
Okay, thank you, sir. But Mr. Again, another thing. Some of us already, as you told us last time, well, the way you submitted the course, actually we did the work before that time.
I didn't take it on. I'd love to have it.
You're going to find it in the notes. I had picked it from there directly.
Okay.
Yep.
Fine.